What if smarter technology could make even the biggest city feel like a small town? Welcome to AI Meets World. By 2050, 2 out of every 3 people on the planet will live in a city. How can AI help cities deal with all that growth?
Think about all the data that a city has. Drone footage, transportation mapping, environmental studies. You can take all this data and really build a comprehensive twin of your city. Anything from parks to buildings to roads and infrastructure can be in this digital sandbox.
Reminds me of playing video games as a kid.
Yeah, imagine being able to actually plan a park and see how's that going to affect traffic without really affecting your citizens' lives. It's incredible technology.
How does the Dell AI Factory with NVIDIA help cities and towns put all of these solutions into action?
If local governments want to get on this AI train, now's the time to do it. And you're already sitting on a gold mine, which is all your data. Dell has partnered with NVIDIA to provide the unified framework that helps organizations turn data into intelligence at scale. With the right infrastructure, the right resources, the right partners, we can really make a better outcome for the future.